Hi everyone, in this video I will talk about what is the best place to visit with your family or your friends. You may wonder which place is it. Well, today I recommend you Nobol. If you don't know where is it, don't worry. Nobol is a small town located in the province of Guayas, exactly 45 minutes from Guayaquil. Nobol is a very good option for natural lovers because it offers recreational areas, the chapel of the Saint Narcisa de Jesus, as well as the already known typical food. Let's start. Okay, the first tourist place is Narcisa de Jesus Cemetery. This is one of the most visited pilgrim cemeteries of the country. That has a beautiful building next to the Daule River. Inside this church, we find the incorruptible body of the saint. Narcissa is called the violet of Nobol. Another place you should visit here in Nobol is the cultural park called La Garza Roja, which has an aquatic recreational area. Psychology Museum. This park is located 37 kilometers of Canton Nobel. The scale is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Here you can enjoy with nature, be in contact with animals, and you can do another activities. Nobel is also known for his gastronomy. We will find a variety of typical food, but the main dish is the maduro con queso, seco de pato, seco y caldo de gallina, humita, and caldo de salchicha. Each dish has a very conventional price for tourists. Finally, I showed you different photos of what you can see in this place. Okay? Don't miss it and come to enjoy and live an unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching. Bye!